If you've always wanted to make homemade eggnog, you came to the right place. You're gonna need 2 liters of milk. We're gonna use 1 liter right now. I'm also gonna add a cinnamon stick. We're also gonna need 6 eggs per liter of milk, and we're only gonna use the yolk. The best way to separate the yolk from the whites, cut them in half like this, and then just switch them from one side to the other, because that cuts the egg white like that. Now it's ready. Try to use the brown eggs like this, because the color is so intense that you don't have to use artificial colors. So now we're gonna blend the yolks, and we're gonna add the other liter of milk. We're gonna let it come to a boil first. Once it starts boiling, we're gonna put it on medium heat. We're gonna keep stirring like this, and we're gonna add little by little and keep moving in the same direction. So you're gonna keep adding little by little and stirring, keep stirring, and wait a few seconds and then add a little more. After you finish, keep stirring. We're gonna let it come close to a boil. You're gonna keep stirring for some time, but don't let it boil. And now it's ready. We're gonna turn it off, and I'll remove it from the heat and let it cool down. So now we're gonna use the strainer, and we're gonna add 2 spoons of sugar. And we're gonna add a spoon of vanilla extract. And I'm using half a cup of tequila. You can also use rum or brandy. And we're gonna move it around so it sterilizes the container. Now we're gonna add the whole thing. And now we're gonna mix them. You can place in the refrigerator for a week or 2 to give it better taste. Now we're gonna try the homemade eggnog.